Hey, what's up my friends? There are two crucial things you need to know about this trimmer before you spend your money on it. I'm gonna talk about those two things in just a second. But first, let's go over some of the features and what it's like to actually use this trimmer, including the most popular question on Amazon, which is around charging time and battery life. So one of the most convenient things about this trimmer is it is rechargeable. You recharge it with a USB-C port right there on the bottom, and it does come with a USB-C to USB-A charging cord right there. It is about 3.5 feet long. The battery life on this trimmer has been awesome. It can charge from a dead battery in about 45 minutes, and then I can use it for 2 to 3 weeks every other day without having to charge it. Another really nice feature of this razor is it is waterproof, so I can use it in the shower or I can use it near the sink and I don't have to worry about it getting splashed or getting ruined by any water. It's really ergonomic and nice to hold on to. I can just hold on to it just like this. It's a little bit skinnier at the end for my pinky, a little bit wider here at the top so I can hold it with my pointer and thumb. I use this thing as a full body trimmer. I'll use it on my neck, my beard, my head, which is bald. There are actually two different heads that I'll talk about in just a second that have different uses and purposes, and I'll tell you how I use those different heads. But continuing on the feature of the actual unit, you have one big power button right here. The other thing I love about the power button right here is it's not in a location that I'm gonna accidentally turn on or off while I'm shaving. That's super annoying, but you just have this big nice power button right here. You can push that and it turns on. It gives you the battery life so that you'll know how much shave time you have left in a battery. So right now it's at 100%. That way I'll know when to recharge it before I start the shave, because nothing's worse than getting half your face done and the battery runs out. Never, if you don't end up buying this one, never buy one that doesn't show you the battery life, because then you gotta wait for it to charge to finish your shave or go half the day with half your face shaved. Another feature is there are two speeds to the motor. So when you first turn it on, this is the lower speed of motor. This is gonna be for like thicker hair when you're going slower, or when you push the power button again, that little symbol shows up right there. That's the second speed. That's gonna be for finer hair, finer places. If you're getting a straight line right like next to your ear or a straight line on your neck, you're gonna wanna use that higher speed as well. Now that leads us perfectly into heads. So right now you have the overall kind of thicker tooth head right here. This is gonna again be for thicker hair, larger areas, not as fine tuning, any of that sort of stuff. In order to change the head, all you have to do is put your thumb right here on the blade, pop it off just like that, and then you have this second head right here. I wanna show you the difference between these two heads. So this is the one that was just on. It's a thicker tooth, bigger, a wider head. This is for bigger areas, thicker hair. This is the fine-tuned head right here. You can see the teeth on it are a lot thinner. It's a thinner in size. It's just easier to work with and get into the some of those smaller areas and fine-tune those lines. In order to put the head on, all you have to do is just place it on top, pop it in, super easy. It's held super secure. You do have to give it a little pressure to get it to pop off. There is one more head to show you, which is a nose trimmer head. This is a really nice nose trimmer head. All you have to do, same thing, pop it onto the unit just like that. Goes on really simple, and then you have a nice nose trimmer. All right, here's all the accessories that come with it. Here are the three heads that I showed you already. You also have a nice kind of soft bag right here that you can keep everything in, because there is a lot of parts. Now you have a full set of spacing combs for the fine tooth head, and you have a full set of spacing combs for the wider head. So you have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 combs for this head. And then you have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 space combs for the thicker head. Now, these are all different lengths right here, but then you also have a left and right ear, which is tapered at an angle so that you can use those on the side of the head to get a shorter shave or a shorter trim down at this end to a longer trim to create some of that, you know, fade look if you're wanting to get that from your trimmer. These are really easy to use. All you have to do is select the length that you want, pop it onto the head just like that. It is secure. That's another thing to look at with any of these trimmers. Anytime you're using a length comb with it, you want to make sure that it is super secure on here so that when you are shaving or when you are trimming, that this thing's not going to slip off If it slips off, then that's what cuts your hair, and you're not gonna get the look that you want. So my friends, I hope this video has been helpful in deciding whether or not this is the right razor trimmer for you. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope you enjoyed as much as I do. Peace, everybody.